Earn It, Keep It, Save It Utah builds partnerships to strengthen family financial stability through utilizing the Earned Income Tax Credit, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, and asset building programs. The main way that we help people keep more of what they earn is through free tax preparation services. The most common and well-known is the traditional model of the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, or VITA program, where taxpayers are served face-to-face. This is one of many innovative ways the program is serving Utahns throughout the state. While each site is unique to their own community, there are some basic similarities at every site. Each site is run by volunteers, has a quality review process, electronically files returns, and is well placed to serve our Utah communities. The client is welcomed by a greeter and is asked to sign in. The greeter provides the client with a clipboard containing an intake sheet and a survey. The intake sheet is completed by the client and is used by the preparer to complete an accurate tax return. The survey is used to ensure the VITA program is meeting the needs of its clients and our community. The greeter also makes sure the site runs smoothly by keeping track of available preparers and helping clients with any paperwork questions. When a preparer is available, the greeter calls the client's name and introduces them to the preparer. The preparer greets the client, asks for the completed paperwork, and reviews the intake sheet for completeness. At this time, the client can ask questions about the intake sheet. The preparer uses the intake sheet to conduct an interview, review all the information and tax documents, and speak with the client directly about their specific situation. The interview process helps give the preparer all the information that is needed to begin the return. In addition, it ensures the preparer understands the type of return they are about to complete and that they are qualified to complete it. Earn It, Keep It, Save It follows the highest standards of conduct and requirements designed by the IRS. For this reason, at every site, each client must show a valid ID and Social Security card for themselves and a Social Security card for anyone listed on their tax return. In fact, a Social Security number is required to start the return. Once names and Social Security numbers are entered, along with contact information, the preparer can begin filling in income and expenses from the various forms the client provided. Each form a client provides has a corresponding form in the software program. The program securely saves clients' information as it is entered. Once the return is completed, the preparer reviews the return with the client and notifies the client of the refund amount or payment amount. The client is then given options for direct deposit, the purchase of a savings bond, and any other relevant information. The client then proceeds to the final steps of the process, quality review. During the quality review process, a different preparer verifies accuracy of the tax return and answers any final questions about the electronic return. The client is told their return will be e-filed, so nothing more is required of them, and they are sent home with a paper copy of their return. On average, most tax returns take 30 to 45 minutes, and directly deposited refunds take less than 2 weeks. Earn It, Keep It, Save It traditional VITA sites are located throughout Utah in community centers, schools, banks, and many other community locations.